Hi students, a very pleasant and warm greetings to you all. Hope you are doing good. Last session we have seen about formatting text and paragraphs, right? In this session we are going to see find and replace and the spell check in this OpenOffice writer, right? Find and replace means if you are having a big document or if you are having a page full of words, you want to find a specific word, you can use this find, right? If you want to replace one specific word into another word, you can use this replace, right? Let's see how to use this find and replace. Okay. Here in this OpenOffice writer, we'll have find and replace. Like that, we'll have one option. For that, you have to click on edit and then you have to select find and replace, or else you have the shortcut key as control plus F. Okay. And when you click the Control plus F or when you select Find and Replace from Edit menu, you will get this dialog box. Here, search for what word you need. That word you have to type in this text box which is below search for. And the word with which you have to replace it, that word you have to type in this replace with. Okay, if you just want to find that word means you can just type the word in the search for. If you want to search for Bombay, you can just type that Bombay here and you can click on find, right? Or if you want to replace it, you can just type the word with which you have to replace that Bombay in this replace with text box and you can just click replace here, right? Can you find the find and replace buttons in the right side? That's all. And if you want to find all, if you are having five Bombay, that word, if you are having in the page means, if you want to find all the words, you can give find all. Under this find, you have find all, right? You can give this find all. Or if you want to replace all the words means, you can just give this replace all, right? Or else, and if you give replacements, only the first Bombay will be selected. First place in the first time where the Bombay is, that place in that document will be selected, right? And next one is about spell check. Spell check means we have auto spell check form also. That means automatically when you are typing something wrongly, if you are typing some words with a wrong spelling. If you are typing alphabet and you are typing with some other spelling, and if this auto spell check is on, you have an icon there, A, B, C, and down you'll have a curved line there. That is auto spell check, okay? Or if you are having any words with, you can see a red color curved symbol under some words which is spelled wrong. Or sometimes you will have green color curved line, or if you are having some words with that underline with the red color, you can just right click on that word and the correct words can be selected from the drop down box, right? Or if you want to just you want to check that spelling and grammar means, you have an icon with A, B, C, it will be written, and down it will have a tick symbol. That is an icon. This ABC with curved means in the text document itself, which word is spelled wrong will be displayed as with the curved red color line, right? Or if you see the icon with A, B, C, and down one tick will be there. If you just click on that, you will get the spelling English like this. This dialog box will be appeared, and whatever word is you have spelled wrong, the correct spelling, the suggestions will be displayed down, and you can just select from that dictionary, right? Not this is not like dictionary, this is like correcting your spelling only, right? If you want that suggestion, you can just click on that and you can get the suggestions. Or if you no need, this spelling is itself correct. Sometimes if you type your names and all, if you are typing Janisha and all, that spellings are not familiar with the computer, right? So it will show you that that is a wrong spelling. In that case, you can just click on that specific sentence, right click on the mouse, and you can just select ignore once or ignore all. That means all the words in all the places that words will be automatically, it will be notified that it is correct, and that curved line, that underline, that red color line will be vanishing, right? So if you want to change, you can just choose change or change all button, or if you want to ignore it, you can just click the ignore button, right? The text language also can be changed in this uh, spelling check commands. Okay, if you want to add some new word to that dictionary, here we have some suggestions, right? If you want to add that, if you are typing Janisha, or if you want to add that particular name to that dictionary, so that after that when you are typing, it will not show you that spelling is wrong. If you want to add that, you can just click the add in that spelling dialog box and pick the dictionary and to add it, right? And then next one is automatic spelling correction, that is autocorrect. Autocorrect means some places you will have apostrophe s and all that, and all if you are missing, it will just show you, and if you click it once, it will just make the word correct, right? So that is autocorrect. This facility is used to correct the common misspellings or the typing errors, right? If you are typing HTE means, if you are typing the means, automatically when you click on the space bar, it will just change into THE. The correct spelling will be automatically corrected. If you want this auto correct to be enabled, you have to go to tools option in the menu, and then you have to select auto correct. Okay, then this dialog box will be displayed. From here you can just um, click the replace tab. In that, the top replace is there, right? From there you can just select the word which is misspelled, and with the box, in this box itself you can give the correct, you can just click new and add the correct word to it, right? This is about automatic correction. And they have given a activity for you here, even for this auto correct only in page number 90. If you are having laptop or computer in your home, you just try it, or we'll we'll do it when you come to school, right? And the next part is working with tables. Okay, here in this word document, this is a word processor, right? In this word also you can insert tables. How will you insert a table here? Insert option has a table, right? Inserting table means we have specific number of rows and columns in a table, right? So you have to decide how much rows you need and how much columns you need, and then you can insert it, right? We have many methods to insert a table. First method is, first you have to keep the cursor in the place where you need the table, right? And you can just click on the cursor, and you will have a table icon, and a down arrow will be there in the right side of the table, right? In that you can just click it, and the drop down grid will be selected. From that you can just select the number of rows and columns. Or another method is, you can go to table, insert table, and then one dialog box will be appearing on the screen, right? And the shortcut for this is Control plus F12, or you have to left click on the table icon which is present in the working window itself, right? And this dialog box will be displayed, and here you can just give the number of rows and columns, and you can give a name also to the table in that name text box. And then you can select the heading checkbox if you need, or a repeat heading, that one if you need you can just select, or don't split table, that option is there, border option is there. Whatever you need, you can just, if you need you can just tick it, or if you don't need, you can just uncheck the box, and then you can click OK. Okay, then the auto format button at the bottom of the insert table dialog box will open the auto format dialog box, right? This is the auto format dialog box. From here you can select the predefined formats, right? Here in this table toolbar you have the pointer tool. You can just point the tool inside the cell. We'll say each box as cell. Okay, you know what is a row and what is column, right? And if it is not there, you can just go to view toolbar, and then you can select table. Likewise also you can get this table formatting toolbar, right? This next on is formatting table. Okay, formatting a table means here this involves the table layout or the size of a table or the position or to add a row or a column or to merge or split a single cell or about changing the borders or about giving a background. These all will come under this formatting table. Okay, here this is the table formatting toolbar. Okay, in the top it will be displayed as table and the icons will be displayed like this. Here to insert a row means you can go to, you can just right click, you can keep the insertion point in the place where you need, and you can just right click and you can just select row insert. Column is column insert, to insert a new column or row. Okay, and in this new row or new column it will show us before or after. Where the insertion point is there, from there itself you can give before or after where you need, and you can just select that before or after and then you can just click OK. Okay, and about deleting the rows and columns means same way, you have to just right click and you can just go to row and delete a row. Column, if you want to delete a column means go right click, select column and delete. So the column will be deleted. Okay, if you are selecting as row with the mouse also no problem. As you are selecting a word or a text, you can just select a row or a column with the mouse. You can just click and drag it, click the mouse left button and you can just drag it and select it, and you can just press the delete button in the keyboard also, right? And next one is about merging. To merging means you are joining two cells into a single cell. Okay, for that also same like deleting and inserting only. You can just right click, you have to select two cells which you have to merge, and you can just right click, select cell merge, or you can go to table in the top menu bar and you can just select merge cells from that menu bar, right? And to split also same way, you can just keep the insertion point in the particular cell or in the particular row which you have to split, and you can just click the right button in the mouse and then you can select cell and split. Okay, or you can use the table menu in the menu bar and you can select the split cells. Okay, so that uh, for rows means it will be showing us horizontally, and for a column means it will be shown as columns vertically. Okay, that's all about this working with tables, right? Today we have learned, what all we have learned today? Formatting text and paragraphs we have learned in the last session itself. And today we have seen about this find and replace, spell check, and working with this tables, right? So would have got a clear idea about this row, columns and all. If you are having a laptop or a computer, just open Office Writer, open a word processor and try to insert a table and try to type. You will have a timetable, right? Last year's timetable and all. Just try to work it out, right? Or if you are having mobile also, you can just install some word processors there. If you are having Android means you can just use WPS, and some word processor are also available for Android. And if you are having iOS also, in Notes itself or in that itself built-in word processor apps are there. Just find it out and you can do it in your mobile itself. Okay, try to do a document, or in this page number 93 they have given some workshops. Just try to do it. Okay, make sure you read this portion today itself and just underline the points which you find is more important to work out for this workshop, this exercises they have given, right? For this and all, you can just use this book itself. For each headings, if you see itself, you can just find the steps inside each heading and you can just do it by your own, right? You read this whole word processor chapter. If you read this whole word processor chapter itself, you will be getting a clear idea to work with the word processor. Okay, you can just create a document in this Open Office Writer for free. As I said you in the previous classes, you can just download and install it for free. It is an open source software, right? this open office writer. You can download the whole open office package, and you can in the next lessons and all you will be studying this about the spreadsheets, presentation, powerpoints and all in this open office itself. So if you are downloading this open office, it will be helpful to study the next chapters and all. Okay. Thank you for your valuable time. Stay home, stay safe, take care. Bye.